Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Swapnali and today I will be showing you guys this look, the eye makeup, the base, everything right from the start to the end. So let's get started with the video. The first thing you want to do obviously is apply moisturizer. Before you start your makeup, make sure to apply a good amount of moisturizer. Now after moisturizer, you can either do your eye makeup first or your base makeup first. So I'm doing my base first and I'm applying the foundation on my face. Now once you're done with the foundation, go in and conceal your under eye. Now there are different ways to conceal your under eye. This is one of the ways. You take some orange color corrector and apply that on your under eyes and then add your concealer. And I like to use a brush because I'm just more comfortable using brushes. You can use your brush, fingers, beauty blender, whatever. Now after that, I am using some powder to set the concealer so the concealer does not move. And now I'm going to powder my complete face so the foundation does not move at all and it is set on my face. Now quickly I am going to fill in my eyebrows. So personally I don't like to overdo my eyebrows, but yeah, I just like to fill them in. Now for the eye, I'm actually going in with this dark maroon color and this slight peachish color. So I'm using these two colors. Before you start your eye makeup, always add some concealer on your eyelids so the powder, the eyeshadow powder, it can stick on your eyes, right? So that's what I'm doing. I'm adding some concealer on my eyelids. One way to do this is take the eyeshadow on your ring finger and apply that on your eyelid, and then take a blending brush and just blend the eyeshadow out. Now on the lower part of the eyelid, you really want a dark intense color, so remember that. Yeah, now the second way is this. You can just take a lot of amount of eyeshadow on your brush and with the brush just apply that on your eye and then just blend it all out. Now blending is what you need to do. Now those of you all who are actually into makeup and do makeup, you all know you have to do this. Just stretch your eye and blend it. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend it all out because you don't want to see that harsh line that looks very amateur. Now the main part, I'm taking a flat brush and I am taking the blue color, but you can take any color which you want and which is gonna go with your outfit, and add that color on your lower lid. Just make sure you're taking a bright poppy color so it kind of just pops your eyes out, right? Don't go in with like black and gray and brown. Go in with pink, blue, green, yellow, colors that are like really not expected. They will look really good with this kind of eye makeup look. I'm going in with blue because if you can see my earrings, they're kind of like multicolored, right? So the blue is working for this look. Just try to build up the intensity. Now I am applying my lashes. It is not the most fun thing to watch, but yeah, that is me applying lashes. Also for this look, do not skip the lashes. Just look at the difference, guys. With the lashes, your eyes just look so much more prettier. Don't skip out on the lashes, yeah. I am going to add some kajal, but only on the outer corners of my waterline. As you can see, only on the outer corner. When you add only on the outer corner, it kind of just makes your eyes feel bigger. Now I'm just going to add some blush. Like I have mentioned previously, peach color blushes go very well with Indian tones. So that's the blush which I would recommend you guys to use. And also add some blush on your nose, that just gives you a more bubbly look. Now for the lipstick, I'm gonna mix two lip colors. So this is the first one. It is like a slight maroony reddish pink color, a plum color I guess, but it's not dark enough, it's not dark and deep enough. So I took a darker color. This is more towards the brownish purple side, so I'm adding some of that. And I am done, and that is the look, you guys. It is a very simple, like the base looks really simple, but the eyes and the lips, they just take it away. Now usually you either go in for bold eyes or you go in for bold lips, but yeah, this look is actually just going well. In case you guys want to try this out, do tag me if you all try this look out. Usually I also follow the same guideline ki if I'm going bold with the eyes, light with the lips, and if I'm going bold with the lips, I go light with my eyes. But this look, I don't know, it just worked out. And yeah, that is it for the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Do try this look out, it's a fun look to try out. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and also give a thumbs up if you have liked this video, and stay tuned for more videos. I love you all. Bye bye.